All right, Aaron, Natalie, here to do some valuation for Forest. Sorry, excuse me. All right, first of all, let's look at the location. Location matters in Forest Oak Hills tremendously. So this is right in the center of Oak Hills, which is a great location. A few clients that live in here, one over here, a few down here in Oakmont. So definitely when it comes to this location, it's pretty solid location when it comes to Oak Hills in particular. You want to be, there's a power line here, so definitely being kind of away from that is good. A ton of folks walk around perimeter and Oak Hills Drive. The rec center is right down here. The church is here. School, of course, and I believe the park is over here. So definitely really good proximity to all of those facilities. So yeah, let's just take a look at the property in general. 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2,100 square foot. Looks like the let's see, looks like all right, there's 2 bathrooms upstairs, probably one in the hall and one in the master suite, half bathroom downstairs next to the next to the washer and dryer and next to the kitchen. So cool. Cool little place. I believe the family room is behind the garage there. So we got a living room, dining room. I would say, yeah, larger living room, and then the dining area, which is kind of the smaller portion. I don't think you need a large dining area. I think this would be perfectly fine with the smaller kitchen, but definitely has been updated probably in the early 2000s. I'm not sure when, but definitely is nice peninsula. This can be changed into gas pretty easily. But yeah, right across the kitchen goes to the laundry. I'll be seeing this tomorrow as well. Half bathroom in there, and another family bedroom back here. I have family room, which is quite nice. So that's really nice. It goes up to the master bedroom, which is cool. This kind of the cadet here. Not sure if there's a furnace or anything like that, but I think it's just the bathroom that has that. Everything else I think is forced air. Yeah, I think the HVAC is in the attic, but I could be wrong. Nice big yard. Newer roof, it looks like, and yeah, got the wreck. Okay, so let's look at some comparables. So I do think the value is there, just right off the top. So let's go to Oak Hills. We'll just go super micro on Oak Hills. So there are some homes in there that let's just see what Oak Hills homes are going for. Yeah, so everything, these are all pending. Let's see what we're up against here. So we got a smaller home at $599. Let's see how fast it went pending on Eastway. Okay, so this is a single level home. It went pending in 4 days. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1834. So let's look at that. So this went pending pretty quickly. Roof is definitely not as updated. I would say similar condition. Updated flooring, it looks like. Yours had hardwood. This has. Okay, so kitchen is not as updated. Definitely similar. So newer flooring, I would say. Um, dated kitchen. And this went in 5 days, so we know that ours is going to go pretty quickly as well. And this is smaller as well, so also has a family room in the back here. I remember this one. This was kind of awkward with the kitchen and kind of came onto the family room. And this kind of blocked a lot of space. This fireplace. I remember this one. Nice little place. And I do think this is more next to traffic. So if that makes any sense. Okay, so it's updated. Bathroom, smaller yard. All right, so let's take a look at the location. We're saying, yeah, okay, so it's right out here. Not too bad. Location is not too bad. Forest is right over here. This one's over here in this cul-de-sac. So I do think it's going to go above $599. We can only assume multiple offers. Offers received. So, it went pending in 4 days. How high? That I do not know. But we can assume that it went pretty fast. Okay, so let's just look at kind of the 600 level, kind of, in this price point. Let's just go by price. What was the reason on this one? Telshire. Oh, this is not in Oak Hills actually. This is a cosmetic fixer. Yeah, I think Telshire is outside of Oak Hills. Oh, yeah. See, this portion is not a part of Oak Hills. The actual Oak Hills line is right here. So this is just right outside of Oak Hills. This is a cosmetic fixer, so it's definitely not. All right, so let's go back to price, $628. Okay, so this is definitely updated. This is 15, so 500 square foot smaller. 525. So this one was listed at 525 back in April, and then they got $100,000. So it went all the way to 628. But let's look at the condition. Let's look at the photos. All right, so oh yeah, I've seen this one. Yeah, so this is super. I mean, it's very small, but it was nice. Definitely livable. I remember this one. So yeah, it's just updated. So this one went all the way to 628. Wow. Okay, not too bad. And this is on perimeter. Okay, and it had a little bit of traffic noise on the back there. All right, so that's 628. Let's go to 638. I think this was in a good location too. Yeah, definitely dated. So 4 bedrooms. So this is a little larger. I think if you guys could take this down at 625, I'd take it. I think this is the time to maybe get it. 638. Yeah. So, and this location I think is a good location. And yep, it's kind of right here. Forest Avenue. Yeah, that's right. It's like right behind Forest Avenue. So yeah, this location is great. 4 bedroom, 2.5 bath. So this one, and this one's all in one level, 2,300 square feet, and all in one level, which is great. And this one sold for 638. So Oh, and how fast did that one sell for? Okay, it took about a week. Well, it was very similar. Seller to do no repairs. Yep. All right, let's go up a little bit, a notch. Melody Court. Yeah, this one was. I saw this one too. This one was really nice. This was when. This one was an awkward one. That's 655. But yeah, 560 to 655 it sold for. I wouldn't even think that that's comparable. So that one was nice. 663. I think this one is right next to the road here. Yeah. Yeah, so that one's, even that one sold at 663. Wow. That's interesting. They probably had some concessions. Oh, no concessions. Multiple offers received. That's interesting. Okay, so with that said, I do think here I'll cut it short here now. Yeah, I do think at 625, if you win it there, I think it's a good deal. I mean, if we can get it for 600, we can either write 600 as is, we'll take it, or go up to 625, maybe try to negotiate a little bit, but if it's in that range, I think it's good in terms of valuation. Hope that helps.